Bismillah. In this video I'm going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 October-November 2020 Variant 2. Number 1. Write 200,017 in figures. So 200,017. Number 2. Insert one pair of brackets to make this calculation correct. I need the answer to be 9. So you can try if you put brackets for the first two. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 minus 3, negative 1 plus 4 equal 3. So it doesn't work. Now we can write brackets around 5 and 3. So 5 minus 3 equal 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 plus 4 equal 9. So this is the correct answer. Number 3. Solve the equation 6 minus 2x equal 3x. Transpose negative 2x to the other side by positive. So 6 equals 3x plus 2x, so 5x. Then divide by 5, divide by 5. So x equals 6 over 5. Or 1.2. Number 4. The diagram shows a triangle drawn between a pair of parallel lines. Find the value of x and the value of y. To find x and 120 interior angles add up to 180. So x equal 180 minus 120 equals 60. So 180, x equals 180 minus 120 equals 60. Now to find y, x plus y equals 140 because alternate angles. So x plus y equals 140. Because x equals 60, so 60 plus y equals 140. So y equals 140 minus 60, which is 80. Number 5, increase 42 by 16%. If the number increased by 16%, this means it was 100. Increased by 16, now 116. The number before the increase 42. Now find the number after the increase by cross multiply method. So 42 times 116 divided by 100 equals 48.72. Number 6, factorize completely 4 minus 8x. The first step, common factor. The common factor between 4 and 8, so 4, bracket, 4 times what equal 4 times 1, 4 times what equal 8x, so 4 times 2x, so 4 into 1 minus 2x. Number 7, the area of triangle ABC is 27 centimeter square and the AB equals 6 centimeter. Calculate the value of h. Area of triangle, half times base, which is 6, times the height equals 27. So 3h equals 27, divide by 3, so h equals 9 centimeter. Number 8, calculate the size of one interior angle of a regular polygon with 40 sides. To find each interior, n minus 2, so 40 minus 2, times 180, divide by n, so divide by 40, equals 171 degrees. Number 9, solve the simultaneous equations. 2x plus y equals 7, 3x minus y equals 8. Look for the coefficient of x, 2 and 3, the coefficient of y, 1 and negative 1. Now if we add, we can eliminate y. So 5x equals 15, divide by 5, divide by 5, so x equals 3. Now substitute to find y. So 2x, so 2 multiply 3, plus y equals 7. So 6 plus y equals 7, so y equals 1. Number 10, without using a calculator, work out 5 over 6, divide 1 and 1 over 3. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So 5 over 6, divide the mixed number, convert the mixed number into fraction. 1 multiplied 3 equal 3 plus 1 equal 4, so 4 over 3. Then keep the first fraction and convert divide to multiply and find the reciprocal for the second fraction, so 3 over 4. Now simplify before you multiply. We have 3 and 6 divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Now multiply the numerators. 5 times 1 equals 5. 2 times 4 equals 8. So 5 over 8. Or you can multiply and simplify later. So 5 times 3 equals 15. 6 times 4, 24. Then divide by 3. Divide by 3. You get the same answer, 5 over 8. Number 11, simplify. 2x power 2 times 5x power 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. X power 2 times x power 5 adds the power, so x power 7. 12. Alex and Chris share sweets in the ratio Alex to Chris 7 to 3. Alex receives 20 more sweets than Chris. Work out the number of sweets Chris receives. So between Alex and Chris, the ratio is 7 to 3. 20 more, this means the difference between them. The difference in part 7 minus 3 equal 4. The difference between them 20 sweets. Now we need to find the number of sweets Chris receives. So with the cross multiply method you can find the Chris. So 20 multiply 3 divide 4 equals 15 sweets. Number 13. The length of one side of a rectangle is 12 centimeter. The length of the diagonal of the rectangle is 13. Calculate the area of the rectangle. So this is the rectangle. We have the length of one side is 12 centimeter and the length of the diagonal 13 centimeter. To find the area we need length and width. So to find the width you can use Pythagoras. So width equals 13 squared minus 12 squared, which is 5. So the area of the rectangle length by width, so 12 times 5 equals 60 centimeter square. Number 14. Work out 3 times 10 power 199 plus 2 times 10 power 201. Give your answer in standard form. To find the answer in standard form, equate the power of 10 for both numbers. So if I need to make 199 to 101, if I need to add 2 for this power, so divide this number by 100. So now we can rewrite this number as 0.03 times 10 power 201. So we add 2 for the power and we divide 3 by 100. So this number is the same like that one, because this means multiply this by 100 and divide this by 100. So get the same number. Plus 2 times 10 power 201. Now we can take 10 power 201 as common factor. So 10 power 201. And we have 0.03 plus 2, so 2.03 times 10 power 201. Now this is the answer in standard form. 15. Calculate the area of this sector of a circle. Area of the sector equals the angle, which is 60 over 360 times by r square, so 7.5 square equals 29.5 centimeter square to 3 significant figures. 16. The selling price of a shirt is $26.50. This includes a tax of 6%. Calculate the price of the shirt before the tax was added. So tax 6%, this means 100, then add 6, so 106. The price including the tax is 26.50. Now we need to find the price before the tax. So 26.50 times 100 divided by 106 equals $25. 17. The diagram shows the speed time graph for the first 40 seconds of a cycle ride. Find the acceleration between 20 and 40 seconds. Between 20 and 40. The acceleration rise over run. So this rise, which is 2, run from 20 to 40, so 20. So 2 over 20 equals 0.1. B. Find the total distance traveled. The total distance is the area under the curve. In speed time graph, distance equals the area under the curve. So we need to find the area. We can divide the region between the curve and x-axis into triangle and rectangle and triangle. So area for this triangle, half times base times height. So half times 10 times 2. So half times 10 times 2 plus area for this rectangle from 10 to 40, 30 times 2. So 30 times 2. Area for this triangle, half times 20 times 2. Half times 20 times 2. So equals 10 plus 60 plus 20 equals 90 meter. Number 18. The sides of an isosceles triangle are measured correct to the nearest millimeter. One side has length 8.2 centimeter and another has length 9.4 centimeter. Find the largest possible value of the perimeter of this triangle. To find the largest possible value for the perimeter, first we have two sides and this isosceles triangle. So we have one side repeated. Because I need the largest possible value, so we can consider that 9.4 repeated. So the three sides 9.4 centimeter and 9.4 centimeter and 8.2 centimeter. Each side correct to the nearest millimeter. Millimeter, to convert millimeter to centimeter, divide by 10. So 1 millimeter equals 0.1 centimeter. So now divide by 2. So 0.05. I need the upper, so add 0.05 for each side. So 9.45 plus 9.45 plus 8.25 equals 27.15 centimeter. 19. Calculate the value of x. We have two sides and one angle, so we can use sine rule. 8 over sine x equal 9 over sine 100. So 8 over sine x equals 9 over sine 100. Now cross multiply to find sine x. So sine x equals 8 sine 100 divided by 9. Now to find x itself, sine inverse 8 sine 100 divided by 9 equals 61.1 to 1 decimal. B. Calculate the area of the triangle. To find the area of triangle, we can find the area if we have two sides and included angle. So to find this angle, we have x equals 61.1. So the third angle equals 180 minus 100 plus 61.1 equals 29.9. Now this angle 29.9. So the area equals half times 8 times 9 sine 29.9 equals 11.7 to 3 significant figures. 20. A model of a statue has height 4 centimeter. The volume of the model is 12 centimeter cube. The volume of statue is 40,500 centimeter cube. Calculate the height of the statue. Because they are similar, statue and the model, so V1 over V2 equals height 1 power 3 over height 2 power 3. So 12 over 40,500 equals 4 power 3 over h2 power 3. So now cross multiply, so h2 power 3 equals 4 power 3 times 40,500 divided by 12 equals 216,000. Now to find h2, the height of the statue, cubic root 216,000 equals 60 centimeter. 21a, differentiate 6 plus 4x minus x squared. The derivative for 6 equals 0. The derivative for x equals 4 minus the derivative for x squared 2x. So 4 minus 2x. Find the coordinates of the turning point on the graph y equals 6 plus 4x minus x squared. To find the turning point, equate the derivative by 0. So 4 minus 2x equals 0. So 4 equals 2x, divide by 2, divide by 2. So x equals 2. To find y, substitute by x equal 2 in this equation. So y equals 6 plus 4 times 2 minus 2 squared equals 10. So the point 2 and 10. 22. The diagram shows a triangle OAB and a straight line OAC. OA to OC 2 to 5, and M is the midpoint of AB. OA, the vector OA is A, and the vector OB is B. Find in terms of A and B in its simplest form AB. AB equals AO plus OB. AO, which is negative A because opposite direction. OB equals B. So negative A plus B. So negative A plus B. Now find MC. To find MC, MC equal MA plus AC. MA plus AC. So MA plus AC. MA, because M midpoint equal half BA. So MA equals half BA plus AC. We have the ratio between OA and OC 2 to 5. So this 2 and this 5. So we can deduce that AC 3 parts. So OA 2 parts, AC 3 parts, and OC 5 parts. We have OA equals A. So we can deduce AC because OA to AC, the ratio between them 2 to 3. OA is vector A. So we can find AC in terms of A. So cross multiply. A multiply 3 divided by 2. So 3A. So you can deduce that AC equal A multiply 3 divided by 2. So 3A over 2 or 3 over 2A. This AC. Now we can write AC as 3 over 2A. So 3 over 2A. Now for BA, we have AB equal negative A plus B. So BA, opposite direction, so change the sign. So A minus B. So half BA equals half A minus B plus 3 over 2A. Now expand and simplify. Half times A equals half A, and the half times negative B, negative half B, plus 3 over 2A. Combine the like terms. Half A plus 3 over 2A, so 2A, minus half B. 23, write as a single fraction in its simplest form 2 minus 2x minus 1 over x plus 1. 2 can be written as 2 over 1. Now multiply the denominators. So x plus 1 times 1 equal x plus 1. And cross multiply. So 2 times x plus 1 minus 1 times 2x minus 1. Now simplify the numerator. 2 times x equals 2x. 2 times 1 equals 2. Negative 1 times 2x, so negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative 1 equal positive 1 over x plus 1 equals 2x minus 2x cancelled out. 2 plus 1 equal 3, so 3 over x plus 1. 3 over x plus 1. 24. A line from the point 2 and 3 is perpendicular to the line y equal 1 over 3x plus 1. The two lines meet at the point P. Find the coordinates of P. So to find the intersection point, we need the equation for each line. So we need to find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to this line and pass through the point 2 and 3. The given line, its gradient 1 over 3. So the gradient of the perpendicular, negative reciprocal, so negative 3. So the equation of the perpendicular, y equal negative 3x plus c. This line passes through the point 2 and 3. So by substitute, x by 2 and y by 3. So 3 equals negative 3 times 2 plus c. So 3 equals negative 6 plus c. Now transpose negative 6 to the other side. So c equals 3 plus 6, which is 9. So the equation of the perpendicular now y negative 3x plus 9. Now to find the intersection point, we have two equations, y equal 1 over 3x plus 1, and the second equation y equal negative 3x plus 9. Now solve them simultaneously by substitution. So 1 over 3x plus 1 equals negative 3x plus 9. Transpose 3x to the other, negative 3x to the other side by positive. So 1 over 3x plus 3x and 1 to the other side by negative. So 9 minus 1, which is 8. 1 over 3 plus 3, so 10 over 3x equals 8. So x equals 3 times 8, 24 over 10, so 2.4. Now you can substitute to find y. So y equals negative 3 times, you can substitute in any equation, this one or that one. So negative 3 times 2.4 plus 9. So y equals 1.8. So the point B 2.4 and 1.8. 25. Solve the equation 10x equal 2 and x more than or equal 0 less than or equal 360. So x equals 10 inverse 2, find the acute angle, equals 63.4. Now 10 positive, in which quadrant from the asterisk rule? tan positive in the first and third. The first, which is theta, which is 63.4, and the third, which is 180 plus theta. So the two solutions, 63.4 and 180 plus 63, so 243.4. 26 simplify, we have algebraic fraction. So to simplify, factorize the numerator and the denominator. For the numerator, we have 4 terms, so factorize by grouping. The first two, we have u common, so u into x minus 2. The last two, there is no common factor, so you can take -1 common, because we start with negative, so -1 common. You are left with x minus 2, because when we take negative common, we have to change this sign, so x minus 2. Now for u squared minus 1, difference between two squared, so u plus 1 times u minus 1. Now the numerator, we have common factor, which is x minus 2. Now x minus 2 times what? Equal u times x minus 2 times u. And x minus 2 times what? Times, so -1 over u plus 1 times u minus 1. Now cancel the common factor. So x minus 2 over u plus 1.